17 at Classic Grande. Organized by Heroes Foundation in association with Florozone and Strix Professional. Ladies and gentlemen, I am your host, Madonna, for the evening, and I extend a very warm and hearty welcome to each and every one of you to this spectacular evening. It's a beautiful evening, all of you looking amazingly great. And also, I would like to thank, please give a huge round of applause.
Please, big cheers to yourself, please, for coming forward for this event. And please give your hand for yourself, please. This is for yourself. Well, it goes like this. I have a passion for football from my young age. And as because I can't play, I don't have the talent to play, and I don't have the time to play now. So I thought, why should I organize an event related to my work? And it goes on and comes out like Xenoh corporate football tournament. And that was, in fact, we have done this twice, and this is the third time. Well, lots of guests are here, not because of a tournament, but because of my personal friendship and my request to come forward for this kind of event. We have started a group for all the entrepreneurs of Manipur, and we have started a WhatsApp group just last month. And in that WhatsApp group, many has come forward and many has participated in that WhatsApp group and very actively working with that WhatsApp group. So now, again, my football become very small. Coming all the entrepreneurs, having the establishment in each and every department from different sectors. We have from automobiles, from IT, from service industries, from hospitality, from hospital. Many industries, leaders are here in this WhatsApp group. And then I request them to come and be part of what I'm doing called the corporate football. So thank you so much for coming forward. And let's see, the rest will be the history. Now, I requested not only the tournament thing, but I requested again for the betterment of the environment of doing business in Manipur. I request some speaker, like Tamo Khagemba. Tamo Bobi has not arrived yet. So I requested some speaker to speak regarding the entrepreneurship, and to have a very good, wonderful business environment in Manipur, so that we do business good and also the corporate events better. So I request Tamo Khagemba to come on the stage and speak few lines for the business, and many more. I may request many more people out here who are doing very successful. From education, Tamo Umakanta is here. From airline industry, Tamo KV is here. So many big names, and also from media, Uncle Rupa is here from media, the chief of Impact TV. So from different field, so many successful people are here for this event. So I may request few lines to speak. So kindly come forward and speak, so that our Manipur can grow and we live a very healthy business environment. Thank you so much.
A very good evening to all the business leaders here in the room. But I would like to speak in our native language. If there is anyone who doesn't understand Meitei Loan, I would request the person sitting next to him to kindly help him out. Anyway, my speech will be confined to only 2 minutes only. So, hero na ingonda, hojiki matam ama na ngang mama tanadra matam siyang wa ngangoy. From the development of the family ba government ka UNC ka bo amta yana di government ngang ba UNC mo lo di UNC ngang ba government mo lo di ado hero na ngang harak pa de topic su isan khan ngadam ne hare hero na aduna aina hujik feel to ba akhoi business house ki akhoi employer ngakta ne aduna akhoi na thengna ba problem mama agi matang da aduka haijage aduka that is the single point that I will speak aduna right now hojik government di nom nom string torok paina laiba increase in population ji thabak pi bagi daita si akhoi da ne and akhoi na piriba nature of job generation si yem kan da virtually I think we are sitting on a disaster. Combined disaster or yes, we give employees to a lot of people. At ako'y napili employment sina, employment sina, management level bauta la staff ho they have well-to-do salaries from us. Adu lower segment la iba unskilled ga, semi-skilled ga la iba pili ba Manipur sa iba tolop sidi family bubong ama tolop mate. Adu hujik support of system sidi ako'y tolop tu na support of nate. Dependency ratio hay na tayo naging matamda family is sauring ida ahan naman nupa makang na pasya talaga mi tari ni pan tara depend to bodo huji adu yung matamda family size picture lag parina aduga earning opportunity di yam na lerak parina pasya yam drabauta kara support tong naragay hingbagi situation nan mani angang hingi mem ji akhoi staff sing na but akhoi na piriba tolop tuna mai mayum sana bagi magi luhong bagi mana karam nei nan tong bagi adugi level da akhoi tolop pi bangam de aduna akhoi laiba staff sing da honesty level je nong nong busum handare ba honesty level je ado Manipur di honest oiba staff kharabu phangi Guwahati Delhi ga yau khara sunglai leitre mo Thiru da employee to rukudi magta law and chor ngakta ne mo idana hena sathi ram ne hana so they are already having a disaster se aduna Indian industry ga chakotri se akhoi platform na nga da China kam bi tawni adu ka ne pangai haibe wani biam root ta akhoi gi huji leiba labor logi basic wages pi ba 250 rupees per day hairi se si bau yo dana pi ba for dama da le khoi sa aduna hayeng mogi masa masu sing malnutrition lerani education is very costly now healthcare is very costly akhoi sei da public transportation phajan leite aduna sigi tawna bai sigumba problem si sina genetical degradation tawba yabagi gi achau threat leire ai sum ai perception ni ko aduna ai tomdana Manipur di amna turbulent atmosphere in the business tawna consistency like tabani na ako'y na hekta kahit na sauna tolopi pasungam di ado ay na to sa business sing dadi ay lairiba sector duda ay na tolo quite sauna pi ado I feel that it is also not enough ado na ay na si harga nang di kayo to dabra hay na mati ekrak panjaraga I will finish my talk. Ako'y staff sing na moy na any requirement na magi paisa konraktab kanday da moy borrowings to yam na counter ga high interest paisa borrowing na ako'y na piri ba tolop to man interest ang beer to ba hay si it's a horrible situation aduna ay business ta ay staff kay si loina moy na interest free loan ay ngonday loy law khara amna principal free o yun yaw adu budi ado ay interest free loan loin pi amoy adugi interest burden do pu na bagi aduga akoy gi ganogi staff singi moy welfare activities mayam amda aina free of cost ta mayam pi aduna akoy na lairiba lifestyle ga moinda lairiba lifestyle ga yamna khenna ta ga heng tungda huji India gi mafa yamna tarib to sa akoy su ta ba horani aduna ai Guwahati to goda ba thabak chi asi hokan da staff sei puda aktre aada le staff sing do loina khuran chalak baina honest social term ana dishonesty levels yang wang chale do ga akoina Myanmar hom de kan di it's a very nice zone business to boy da mak ta mai ui kaino da mi honest we heli post khuran sin di do de akoina business management nam tham kan da full proof security thamaga business to bunga manate aduna I would like to request all the distinguished people here that someday, in a certain period, with a certainty, we can commit ourselves and take the level of our employment generation so that our employees can also have a nutritious food, good life. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, to go further, I would like to take the introduction of all entrepreneur. Sir, you tell your name, your work, and your company.
I'm Iromumakan Singh from Comet Group of Education. We're running Comet School and Comet Coaching Center. We're a group of 4 people running that school and coaching center. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Yeah, myself, this KB Singh. Actually, my full name is P. Kunja Bihari Singh, but everyone knows me KB. I'm a proprietor of KB Enterprises and director of the KB Forest Private Limited, full present money center. Thank you very much.
I Khagem Basanabam. Actually, I have 11 businesses. And a loin highway to the Canada, Aduna, Kitang popular in a Kagnaba, my spring water brand do I oxygen plant do I the construction building with my amla to the high in Canada. Thank you very much.
Hello. Manipur Inc. Haidare me am police like India Inc. Good evening. My name is Jumnam Rupachandra. I'm the editor-in-chief of Impact TV. Aduga koigi Impact TV is charai Impact Media Net and Communication Private Limited ana. Tamodhabli na chairman ni. I'm one of the directors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone. My name is Bikram Wangkamium and I'm MD of Shanghai Hotels, Nagamapan.
Hello, I am Thogambe Singh, proprietor of MSBCS Peripherals Kanglapat.
Hello everyone, I am Punsiba. We have an IT firm called Mangal Infotech and a departmental store called MI4. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Wangkem Lenin, proprietor of W. Bolsing, Thangal Bazaar.
Good evening, everybody. Myself, Zia Rahman from Mantipuki. I'm just a friend of Hero.
Good evening, everybody. I am Sujay Ghosh, Airport Manager, Air India, and I wish you all the best for this coming tournament. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Hobijam Napoleon Singh, representing Air India, Imphal.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Ratan Kumar. I'm the football coach, and as well as I am the AFC license holder, as well as FIFA instructor training course also participated. Thank you.
My name is Ibol Meitei, Best Commissioner of the All Manipur Football Association.
My name is Ratan. I am Secretary in Panwis District Football Association.
Hi, good evening. I'm Abhishek Jain, founder and gardener at Shanghai Technologies Private Limited.
Good evening. My name is Sahil, and right now I finished my studies and come down to Imphal. And currently, we have a showroom in Pune Bazaar, namely Peter England.
Hello, everybody. This is Chirag here. Greetings to all. I'm a partner basically at Prem Sugyanchan Partney stationery store at Pauna Bazaar. Thank you. Cheers.
Hello, good evening. First of all, I would like to thank Da Hero and Da Nelson for making this happen. It's a really nice initiative to let this happen in Manipur. And I'm Arihant. Good evening, everybody. And I'm a proprietor of Samudri Traders. We are dealing into IT peripherals and also an authorized dealer of Apple in Manipur. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, good evening. Here is Rakesh Takilambam from Yai School. Thus I am running a microfinance business. Thank you.
Hi guys, first off I would like to say I really appreciate the initiative taken to form this group. And I'm glad to be a part of the member. I'm Romel of Sri Balaji and my business area is in the automobile lubricant sector. Which is Repsol and iPol lubricants. That's it. Thank you.
Hello. Hi everyone. I'm Dhoni Sharma. I'm the proprietor of Distance Motor and Radha Enterprise. And I'm the distributor of Valvoline Cummins Private Limited and Mahindra Fast OS. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Khaba Sanabam. I am the brother of Khagyam Sanabam, and I'm proprietor of Reliable Sales.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I myself, Prem Pebam, and I have a business of medicine and distribution. And at the same time, I'm a social activist. Thank you, and long live Xenoh Corporate Football 2017. And we hope that everyone will give fine and our own initiations to this corporate challenge. So I hope Mr. Hero will do a very great things always.
Hello, everyone. I myself, Ketramem Rustom Kumar Singh. I'm the proprietor of Wangbrel Decor Furniture Showroom. And I really, thank to Mr. Hero to be a part of this young entrepreneur group. Thank you very much.
Hello, good evening, everybody. I am Firoz. I'm working at Jennings. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Brajabitu Wahingbam. I am founder of 3 schools. 2 schools are, one is in Pauna Bazaar called Santilata Memorial School. Another one is in Tokthong. And the third one is Kids Foundation on Airport Road. I would like to thank Hero for making this kind of initiative. There is a saying that you can't stop an idea whose time has come. So look is policy now becoming act is policy. Once it happens, there will be floodgates of opportunities for all of us. So we have to we have to see how we can take this opportunity. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. N. Jitendra, Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, and also Assistant Medical Superintendent, Xenoh Institute of Medical Sciences. I'm here not as an entrepreneur. I'm a well-wisher of Hero Toksom, and I was really fortunate when I was there in the second Xenoh Cup. I'm going to be in this third Xenoh Cup as well, and I wish the third Xenoh Corporate Football Challenge 2017 a grand success. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jaydeep.
I am, as Dr. Saab said, even I am not an entrepreneur, but I wish to become one soon. And we are here just to, with all our good wishes for Hero and the undertaking that he's taken over. And we thank him very much for the invite.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohit. I'm from Mantripokri. And I can see all the young and budding entrepreneurs here. And all the very best, and thank you for hosting us here. And may you have a wonderful, wonderful event coming up. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Prashozit, and I am the Managing Director, group of schools. We have St. John's School in Chingmerong and Mahikol School in Lafupatera. And we manufacture Lotak water tank also, which is a food-grade product. And we are going to launch Kit G School also in Chingmerong. The school will be starting from April this year. And recently we launched a product called Shirekar. I hope everybody buys Shirekar. Thank you. And big cheers to Hero and team.
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Romi Kanta Ferojam. I am the Managing Director, Island Nissan. I'm running a Nissan vehicle showroom. And beside that, I am into import of furniture and footwears and fancy lights. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Vikram. I have my own heavy machineries. My main business is in Dimapur. I'm actually trying to start something here in Imphal. I would like to actually thank Hero who's taken the initiatives to organize such a program here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil. I'm headed Nutrient, and in that Nutrient we farm, we cultivate, we manufacture, and we market lemongrass tea. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bankim. I'm the director of Imphal Valley School at Mantripokri and PC Petroleum Agency, a retail outlet of Indian Oil Corporation. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Koma. I'm MD of Sanamahi Motors, Royal Enfield.
I will take over, Madhura. Yeah. Well, everyone thanks me, so I have to thank you back again. Thank you so much for trusting me and coming forward for this event. Well, sorry.
Yeah, my name is, good evening everyone. My name is Jayananda. I am a managing partner of LI Steel, and we are in trading business for commercial item, and we are also a sales promoter for Dalmia Cement for the Manipur. So thank you very much, my brother Umakanta and my brother Hero, for giving the opportunity to be here, and all the very, very best. Thank you.
It's a lot of pressure for me to thanking me, because you are giving me all the pressure to my head. You know, I have thanked you, now you have to do something. So it's not like that. Let's do together. Let's do together. Let's make this a platform, not only for football, but to unite, to do something good for the society, to build up a society where we can, launch to the other countries as well. So it is a networking party, not only launching our product or football or related thing, but it's also a networking party where you have to relax, chill out, meet friends, do business. And I know when we launched this group, somebody started asking, I'm manufacturing this, you're selling this, and you have to buy this. It's already working. The business is already there. So it's so happening, the WhatsApp group is so happening, and it can convert to so many things. So I think what we have started is just a very small, but it can be, it can be, a very big thing in the future. So to give us some knowledge, to give us some more clarity, so what we can do ahead, I want to request Sir Riram Rupa, who's been doing this like this all the time, So we just started like this too, because I'm also a good event organizer. See, I have so many problems. I've created so many. Actually, we started by 5 o'clock. Then people didn't turn up, so it became very late. And then, we wanted to do like Bombay or like anywhere, New York, Wall Street, like that. But Manipur mein to aise hi hota hai. So please give us some knowledge how to make it better.
Thank you. Give a big hand for this guy, yaar. Kya sab chupchap baitha hua hai. Thank you, Hero. I think we'll all take over from there. You've done your job getting everyone together on the same page. So it's time, I think, people pitch in and start working, make the football thing a success, but that's not where we're going to stop. I'm in media, as most of you know. My job is to bring you people together and reach out to the people, help you reach out to the people. That's what we do in the media. And it's good to see that there's so many young people have taken to trade, business, and commerce. Because I always keep on saying that for a state to actually develop progress, there's only one way. Have a healthy business environment and also a very good educational system. Of course, you do need healthcare, and then all that all comes in between. But let's start one thing at one time. What we do need now, I think, is a very good business environment, because we are in the cusp of a change. I've been trying to, we have a group called Editors Guild Manipur, where I am the Secretary General. It's a group of all the editors in Manipur, except for a few who opt out. Because I understand the need for the media to understand the business perspectives, the challenges that you face, and not only for the business, for all other things that's happening in the society. We need to understand the geopolitics of this place. We need to understand the politics of this place, the real politics of this place. We need to understand the relationship between the hill and the plains, the people. So the editors here need to understand many things. So we are in process of strengthening the editors themselves also, ourselves. We need to expose our editors to the challenges that's going to come to us. And as India is looking east and now beginning to act east, we also feel that the editors in Manipur must also be exposed to the east and all its potentials. KB is helping me out there, right? One of the first trips that we organized for the editors was to Thailand, and it was an eye-opener for many of our editors, the way the business runs, the tourism in Bangkok. After that, we went to Mandalay. Khagembo was there with us. We went to Yangon, and we tried to understand the neighboring this thing. Much before that, I had taken a trip to Muse from Mandalay. That was another period. From then onwards, there was a feeling of need for our people to be exposed to what is happening in the neighboring countries. But I was just expanding that to the editors, because at the end of the day, for the mass to be involved, for the mass to actually absorb whatever the business group can give or whatever the educators can give, for the mass to absorb that thing, you need to prepare the people who will be the ultimate receiver. And that can only be done through mass media. We have a lot of social media right now, and people are connected in many different ways than it traditionally used to be. But having said that, the social media, the new media comes with its own problems. The trust deficits, the authenticity of the source of the news, those are there. So you have to actually refer to the mass media to actually understand or to actually verify whether what's there in the WhatsApp group or what's there in Facebook is actually happening or not happening. Because a lot of things can be morphed, a lot of things can be manipulated and presented to you as truths. So mass media does have a very big role. So we are in process of trying to make them actually strengthen the mass media, the editors, so that we can help you better. Now, we know that this route is going to be opening up. The Southeast Asian giants are looking at 1.2 billion strong market. India is a huge market. And on the other side, you have these big multinational companies, the LGs, the Daewoo's, then whatever, the Sonys and whatever. They're looking at 1.2 billion market. Even if it's a 10% share of that market, it's a huge market for them. And they've been using the traditional route through the Strait of Malacca, which is fraught with its problems. The piracy problem is there. Then when you bring cargoes by sea, of course, the weather is there. So they would like to have an all-weather land route, train route, going through Burmese territory. The China is looking for a pass through Ruili, Muse, Mandle, Sittwe to Bay of Bengal. So the Western China is looking for an outlet into Bay of Bengal. They're looking for another outlet through Karachi into Arabian Sea. So the Western China, which has been left out of the progress in Chinese story, because the eastern coast has been developing like anything. Shanghai has been growing at fast rate. But what is happening in China, China has also has got its internal dynamics, where the western part has been left out from its progress. So it's looking for western corridors, and one of the corridors will be touching very close to us. Another will go through Ladakh side and it will touch Pakistan and go to Karachi. So they're looking for outlets into the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. That's the story that China is pursuing. Now, where do we fit in? Because China is not the only story. The story there, we have the Southeast Asian companies are there. They're also looking at India in the same way that China is looking. And Manipur, because of its location, and not only Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, we are in a very strategic position right now. And if you could, please try and read the book by Yuthan Min, a book called Where China Meets India. Have you come across that title? It's written by grandson of Xenoh, who was the Burmese General Secretary to the UN. Now, he's gone through the same route that I went through some time back. And he's given you a very nice geopolitical perspective of the region, where the main fight is going to take place. So I think it will be good for you as a businessman to study and learn and understand what is being played out in this region and what the future holds for us. Now, that being our future, it's only right for us and for our political groups here to prepare our youths to take the challenges. Now, many of us here, some of us here, like brother is veteran already, there are others. Okay, now it's good to see the youth taking to trade and commerce in a very strong way, the way it's being taken. Now, like Hero said, football is one platform that he's used to bring you all together. But let's take it beyond that. And we at the media are also going to strategize along with you. I plan to even start a business channel where it'll be your channel basically, and along with that, education. So it can be kind of, we haven't actually fixed the name, Impact Biz and Edu or something like that, where we'll be having a space for all the entrepreneurs of what you do, so that not only you tell your story, but you also help inspire other youths to take to the traits that you have taken. Because till now, business class are seen as somewhat parasitic in nature, living off others' hard work. That's the narrative that the business community has been seen for so long, just like the lawyers have been seen as bloodsuckers kind of thing. Though we know that we cannot do without these people. We see police as thugs rather than our saviors. So every profession, because of what is happening around us, has acquired some negative charges. But we also know that this society cannot go on without these professionals. But now, like I think Brother put it, no one can stop an idea when its time has come. Now it's the time for the business people. It's moving. Trump is in, like in one of my posts I said, the Wall Street is now in Oval Office. Trump is in now, the businessman now runs America. Similarly, we even have a theory of corporate running of Manipur government. I was talking to Khagyam about that. So what I actually essentially want to put here is that let's all get together on same page, work together, carry out corporate social responsibilities so that when the general people, when they engage with the business community, let them go back feeling that this is a group that is there to actually help us grow, rather than live off us. We need to build up that image. If that doesn't happen, what will happen is what happened to the politicians on 18th of June. Because the politicians have lost their credibility to such a level that when public angst break out in mob violence, it is their homes that are targeted. So let us not be part of that group. Let us be pro-people. And how can we do that? When we reach out to them, when we take up social corporate responsibilities, which will tell them that we are here for you. So towards that, each one of us, we can, as a group or as individuals, and many big corporates are already doing it. It's not a new idea. The only thing is that the new young generation here are coming up with new ideas, but the old generation of the businessmen that went before us, they have not tried it. But now I think the time has come for us. Let us start all these corporate social responsibilities. From the media side, what we can do is we can provide the platform where these things can take place. Recently, we are into also supporting sports, just like Hero is doing. Impact TV along with Editors Guild Manipur, we organized the first pro boxing in Manipur. In fact, in the entire Northeast, or in the Eastern India. And we did it in a very limited period. It was not even 2 weeks. In 2 weeks' time, we put it together that show. I wish all of you were there, but some of you were there. But I was impressed at the way people responded so professionally. For example, to put in the light and the sounds, we thought that it will all be brought from Guwahati, but thanks to the blockade, the people from Guwahati had to rely on local, entrepreneurs. And what amazed me was that they were able to give them what they needed. So we had terrific sound, we had terrific lights, and the hall was so well decorated by Arun Enterprise. So what I'm trying to say is that we have the capacity, we have the potential. It's now how we take it further. So I think I've taken much more time than I was given. Sorry for that, but let's make this thing a success. Thank you. Hero.
Thank you so much, sir.
Marching down the street in my lightning feet, and the shine's too fine to be real. Fake it so I care for the glisten and the glare. Now it's something I'm starting to feel. Eagle eyes, mama, eagle eyes, caught a glimpse of her eagle eyes. Eagle eyes, mama, eagle eyes.
We'll have a round of fashion show first, because everyone looks so serious. So, to ease yourself, let's have a round of a fashion show, please. Music, DJ, come on.
Lifted up to the gray, wide open to find out the places I'd be. In my sleep it will go.
We have a very nice fashion show. The first round is the creative round.
Know how to wait out the ages, so I wrecked my only way through.
The first round is a creative round. The designer is Goswami Gurumayum. And I would like to introduce as well B Square, Boy and Bizen. That will be the second and third round.
Mama, eagle eyes, lifted up to the gray, wide open to find out the places I'd be.
round of applause. Gosai, a creative round, please. Music, please. This is the first round, the creative round. And now, please welcome the designer for the creative round, Goswami Gurumayum. He is one of the most famous creative artists and also a National Awardee 2015. Please give a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have the second round, that is the B-square round. We shall be starting the B-square round.
I hit my bed, calling out my name. It sounds sweet, cannot regret. So I fall asleep. My mind starts walking, getting in too deep. I'm brainless, talking. It's a beautiful morning. Just woke up and absorbed the sunlight. It's a beautiful day. I can't get enough. The day is smiling bright. It's a beautiful morning. I just woke up and absorbed the sunlight. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. That's the kind that I really like. I'm dreaming about you, girl. 'Cause you're my love, my best friend. We'll explore the world. We will find brand new land when we're back again. The morning comes a new way, and when we feel it's time for friends, for love, give and take. Just woke up and absorbed the sunlight. I can't get enough. The day is smiling bright. I just woke up and absorbed the sunlight. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. That's the kind that I really like.
In the meantime, I'll take the opportunities to mention the main sponsors: Radha Enterprises, Sanamahi Motors, Sri Balaji, Comet School, KB, Wangbrel Decor, KB Enterprises, Island Nissan, Sri Manikumar Jewelers, and the official partner Marina Spring, HDFC Bank, and the media partner Impact TV. Thank you. And also, I would like to mention Ozaratan from the Imphal West Football Association. Thank you very much for being with us. And also, Director Jenims, Dr. Devin. Thank you. Now we'll be starting the second round.
I would also like to thank Arun Enterprise.
And also I would like to thank Maruti Suzuki, Iboyama Hospital, Canon, MGT, official partner Arun Enterprises, Presto, Personalized Wonder, Kisan Audio Visual, Horizon. Thank you. B Square, are you ready?
Coming home at night, tired, in my bed, calling out my name. It sounds sweet, cannot regret, so I fall asleep. My mind starts walking, getting in too deep. I'm praying less, talking. Up and absorb the scent light. I can't get enough. The day is shining bright. I just woke up and absorbed the scent light. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. It's the kind that I really like.
Now we will be presenting the second round. That is, the next round is B Square round. Music, please.